Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about matplotlib labels and title. Let's see what is it. So in the case of labels and title, first we have to create label for a plot. Okay. So with the help of the x label of and the y label of functions, we can create the labels for the x and the y axis. Okay. So these are the terms that are mentioned. So on screen you can see that I have given one example. You can try this example at your system too. Okay. So in that case, I have mentioned the average pulse and the calorie burn range. So it will help. What is going to happen? It will provide you first the title. What is the particular title, and what is the label you need to mention? So average pulse I need to mention in the label, and the x in the y-axis I need to mention the calorie. Okay. So I have already mentioned here. So once you'll mention all these terms, it will automatically provide you that. So let me just show you first, then I will run this code and then you will be able to understand. So these are the things I have mentioned here on screen. So on screen, after running this code here on screen, you can see that I'm getting the calorie burnage in the y-axis, and inside the x-axis, I'm getting the average per. So that is how you need to create. So let me just mention here title. Okay. So let me reload it, and then on screen you can see that on there we are getting all the titles there, that is the sports watch data. So that is how it is going to work. I hope you understood. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.